Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video here on the K-Tech channel. Today I'm bringing you the unboxing and first impressions of the exclusive launch of the Honor Magic 8 Lite. And here it is guys, another exclusive unboxing for you because you always deserve the best. I work really hard here to get these devices firsthand. I'm not sure if I'm the first Brazilian to present this content online, but if not, I'm definitely among the first. So it definitely deserves a like, man, which helps a lot, alright? And now guys, let's go to our initial unboxing review with first impressions of this new release, the Honor Magic 8 Lite. Let's go to the video. Let's do it. Starting the unboxing, a white box with the model centered and mentions of 5G connection and near-field communication. The side label lists the international mobile equipment identity codes and product version. Inside the box, we see the smartphone. And right below it, a small box with the quick start guide and warranty certificate. Includes a charging and data cable with USB-A and USB-C connectors plus an ejector pin. As you know, it's not new. Devices sold in Europe don't include a charger in the box. But the one you'll buy in Brazil will already come with a 66-watt charger, which is the maximum power it supports. Now with the device already in hand and fully set up, we have a 6.79-inch active matrix organic light emitting diode screen with a 120 Hz refresh rate. High dynamic range supports 1 billion colors and up to 6,000 nits brightness. It has an excellent grip, very comfortable, weighing 189 grams and is 7.8 millimeters thick. And this color honestly is spectacular. The textured back, made of eco-friendly leather, gives it a sophisticated look. This device is unique with beautiful golden edges that add the perfect finishing touch. It really deserves a pat on the back. On the right are the volume and power buttons. On top are the microphone, noise reducer, and speaker. On the left side there's nothing, it's all smooth, and on the bottom there's a tray, microphone, USB Type-C port, and stereo speaker output. Now let's talk about artificial intelligence, which already comes installed on the device, Honor AI, which is exactly the same artificial intelligence that comes installed on Honor's flagship model. The Honor Magic 8 Pro, which you've already seen here on the channel, also brings app suggestions based on your usage. There are also several other features and scenarios you use daily. And of course, there are also those photo editing features to erase objects and people. As I said, it's the same as on the Honor Magic 8 Pro. Now the battery on this guy here guys is 7,500 mAh silicon carbon. The battery is insane, it easily lasts a whole day of use. If you play your cards right, depending on your usage, if it's not too heavy, you can get 2 days of battery without needing to charge. It's really good. Now let's talk about the processor we have in this guy here. Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 4 nanometers, scoring almost 1 million points on Antutu, an excellent score. It heated up to 37 degrees and lost 9% battery. Let's check out some gameplay footage now. You can see the graphics on Call of Duty Mobile, everything set to max, okay? It performed really well during the tests here, no problems at all, no lags, no stuttering, nothing, okay? I really liked it, guys. It's a good processor. It'll serve you well even for some heavier tasks. Check this out. This is the device's highlight. Remember when I mentioned the Honor Magic 7 Lite was certified and resistant? This guy here, it's even better. Look at its design, look at its shape, how it apparently looks like a regular device. There's nothing special here, but guys, IP68 and IP69K certification. For the operating system, we have Magic Operating System 9 running with Android 15. And of course, it also has near-field communication connection for making payments. For convenience, its on-screen fingerprint unlock is fast and facial unlock is also quick. Both are very satisfactory. And there are two versions of it, 8 with 256 and 8 with 512. And its SIM tray supports two 5G nano SIM cards, and it doesn't have memory expansion and also doesn't have a connection. Now let's move on to its audio and video test, guys. Now let's go to our audio and video test of the Honor Magic 8 Lite Advanced Quality 2160p. Let's set the brightness to maximum. And guys, check out this 400 audio again here for you here. Look, 400, okay? The audio is really loud. Really loud, very bright, beautiful screen, really good adjustment too, and no borders at all. Very good stereo sound. Really loud, guys. The audio and image on the device are amazing, okay? 6,000 nits of brightness is incredible, plus stereo sound that goes up to 400. It's an incredibly loud, powerful sound and a bright screen. They did a great job. And now let's talk about the cameras. The front features a 16 megapixel camera that records full high definition at 1080p 30 fps. Let's take photos and videos with its front camera. And now here, guys, the front camera of the Honor Magic 8 Lite is recording, unfortunately, at a maximum of 1080p full high definition 30 fps. Walking here a bit so you can see the stabilization, and now you can see it's the same ground we're walking on. You'll notice a difference between recording with the front and rear cameras. The rear camera has stabilization while the front camera does not. For us, turning around here, you can also notice it. Look. You see the high dynamic range? It gets lost over there. You can see it, but not much. I'll tap the clouds to see if it focuses. It focused on the sky. Now, if you look at me here, everything over there turns white, okay? So it's a front camera, at least in terms of colors, it looks pretty nice, it's fine, but it doesn't offer us stabilization or high dynamic range either, at least for video. Let's see, in photos too, I believe we can enable high dynamic range in photos, okay, but that's it, guys. The Honor Magic 8 Lite has a basic front camera, guys. The microphone sounded kind of weird there. It was like I was underwater. A strange sound. Anyway, I didn't get that either, okay? It lacks extra features, 4K recording stabilization, and high dynamic range. Now, let's move on to its rear cameras. And here we have two cameras, a main one with 108 megapixels and optical image stabilization, and a second one, a 5 megapixel ultra-wide camera, both recording at 4K 30 fps. We'll take some photos and videos with the rear cameras and return to share our final thoughts and wrap up. So here, guys, the rear camera of the Honor Magic 8 Lite. I'm holding it here with my right hand. Maximum resolution is 4K at 30 fps. It tries to stabilize here since the ground is uneven, holding things steadier. Let's see here if we can also open wide angle. No, we're going to use a maximum zoom of up to 8x. Coming back here now, very smooth transition, very calm, no problem at all. Even for you guys, let's check the focus here now. Its focus is really fast. Awesome. Let's walk more. And here it is for you. Video with the rear camera of the Honor Magic 8 Lite. Guys, now the rear camera has improved a lot compared to the front one, recording in 4K with stabilization. A very subtle zoom transition there, right? Applying the zoom without those jumps in the camera. Pretty cool and interesting. The microphone works much better than on the front camera. I don't know why. But anyway, let's get to our final summary here with the positive points, in my opinion. Monstrous battery. The device's certifications are also insane. Near field communication connection, a beautiful active matrix organic light emitting diode screen with very strong brightness and stereo sound that's out of this world from another planet. Great sound, though I do have some negative points. We have its front camera, but I'm unsure if the issue is with the device or if a future update will fix it. And its price, which remains high in Europe at launch when converted, also makes it expensive. It's about 3,000 reais, which I think is still expensive for this device. Even 2,500 reais would be more reasonable. I want your opinion. Did you like the device and enjoy the video? Leave a like. If you didn't do it at the beginning, check your subscription to the channel, turn on notifications, and share it to help us out. That's it. We're in this together. God bless you all. Big hugs. See you next time. Thanks. I'm out.